Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to update Autroniq A200 or A100 on iQMaxPro application. Please follow along step by step. 1. Run iQMaxPro Manager as an administrator. 2. Once iQMaxPro is open, connect to the tool via USB or Wi-Fi. In this case, we will connect with USB on the A200. Make sure the tool has power and is connected to your PC. 3. Wait a few moments. You should see the tool connect to the application. An image of the tool will appear along with the VCI device information. 4. Now you will see the small green icon above Update. Where are all the functions for the tool below the main image? This means there are updates available for the tool. Click on the Update button and then again click blue Update button at the bottom to start updating your tool. And that's it. Wait for the update to finish and your tool is up to date. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more tutorials, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact us through our official website.